Hi,
Hello,
how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What's your favorite movie?
I enjoy classic films like Avengers.
What's your favorite coffee or tea?
Definitely coffee, can't start my day without it.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I'm more of a winter person, I love the snow. What's the last book you read? I recently finished The Great Gatsby.
What's your favorite, dogs or cats?
Dogs all the way, they're loyal companions.
Pizza or burgers?
Tough choice, but I'll go with pizza.
Beach vacation or mountain retreat?
I'd go for a mountain retreat for some peace and quiet.
What's your favorite color?
Blue has always been my favorite color.
Early bird or night owl?
Definitely a night owl. I do my best work in the evening.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting in my free time.
Are you a morning person?
Not really. Mornings are a struggle for me.
Favorite childhood game?
Hide and seek was always a blast.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the guitar a bit.
Favorite type of cuisine?
Italian food is my weakness.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a travel photographer.
Netflix or YouTube?
Netflix for binge watching my favorite shows.
What's your go-to workout?
I enjoy running to stay active.
Do you believe in aliens?
It's a fascinating idea, but I'm not sure.
What's your favorite season?
I love the colors of autumn.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister.
Favorite childhood cartoon?
Tom and Jerry was a classic.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake is hard to beat.
Mountains or beaches?
I enjoy both, but I'll go with mountains.
Favorite board game?
Monopoly is a classic favorite.
Tea with or without sugar?
Without sugar, please.
What's your favorite quote?
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today.
Winter sports or summer sports?
Winter sports, like skiing, are exhilarating.
Are you a planner or spontaneous?
I like to plan things out.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
Thai food has the perfect balance of flavors for me.
What's your favorite animal?
I've always been fascinated by dolphins.
What's the most memorable concert you've attended?
Seeing Coldplay live was an unforgettable experience.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
Chocolate lava cake is my weakness.
What's your favorite childhood TV show?
I loved watching SpongeBob SquarePants.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use the meditation app Headspace daily.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
Listening to calming music and taking a hot bath.
What's your favorite childhood game?
Hide and seek was always A blast.
What's your favorite piece of technology?
My laptop is an essential tool for work and creativity.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy sunny days with a gentle breeze.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas has a special charm with all the decorations and festivities.
What's your favorite workout routine?
High-intensity interval training keeps me motivated.
What's your favorite historical period?
The Renaissance era has always intrigued me.
What's your favorite way to give back to the community?
Volunteering at a local animal shelter brings me joy.
What's your favorite board game?
Monopoly is a classic favorite of mine.
What's your favorite way to stay organized?
I rely on a digital calendar to keep track of my schedule.
What's your favorite piece of furniture in your home?
My comfy reading chair is my favorite spot.
What's your favorite childhood toy?
Legos provided endless hours of creativity.
What's your favorite genre of movies?
I'm a fan of science fiction. It sparks the imagination.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I always enjoyed history classes.
What's your favorite way to express yourself creatively?
I love writing poetry as a form of self-expression.
What's your favorite type of footwear?
Sneakers are my go-to. They're comfortable and versatile.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy hiking in scenic landscapes.
What's your favorite childhood cartoon character?
Mickey Mouse always brings back fond memories.
What's your favorite social media platform?
I prefer Instagram for its visual focus.
What's your favorite way to unwind on the weekend?
Watching a good movie or series at home.
What's your favorite type of art?
I appreciate abstract art for its unique interpretations.
What's your favorite type of bread?
Sourdough is my absolute favorite.
What's your favorite aspect of your job?
Problem solving and the sense of accomplishment.
What's your favorite childhood game console?
Nintendo 64 provided countless hours of fun.
What's your favorite mode of communication?
I prefer texting for its convenience.
What's your favorite way to learn something new?
I'm a visual learner, so I prefer watching tutorials.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
Mangoes are a delicious and refreshing treat.
What's your favorite way to spend quality time with friends?
Having a game night with friends is always a blast.
What's your favorite type of flower?
Sunflowers never fail to brighten my day.